Hey everyone, check out the JUNNUJ Tool Organizer with charging station, designed to keep your garage tools neat and powered up. This sturdy 3-layer wall mount is made from heavy-duty steel and includes a power strip with 8 outlets to charge multiple tools at once.
It features a unique side screwdriver rack and hooks for extra storage space and organization.
The organizer's design supports individual drill racks with adjustable height for flexibility and convenience. Each layer can hold up to 33 pounds, making it perfect for heavy tools and batteries. Assembly is quick and easy, so you can start organizing your workspace in minutes. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or professional, this utility rack helps keep everything accessible and tidy. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.